Evolution is the story of life on Earth. It's about how simple life forms changed over millions of years, leading to the amazing diversity we see today. Think of a giant tree of life. Every branch represents a different species. We are all connected on this tree, sharing common ancestors from the distant past. Evolution isn't just a theory, it's a fact supported by mountains of evidence. Understanding evolution helps us make sense of the natural world. It explains why animals are so well suited to their environments and how new diseases emerge. Evolution is driven by a process called natural selection. It's a simple idea with profound implications. Over generations, species change. They become better adapted to their surroundings. By understanding evolution, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. We are all part of this grand, ever-unfolding story of life on Earth. Imagine a group of beetles. Some are green, others brown. Birds find green beetles easier to spot against brown leaves. This means brown beetles are more likely to survive and reproduce. This is natural selection in action. We can break down natural selection into 4 key elements. Variation. Individuals within a species are not identical. Some beetles are brown, some green. Inheritance. Offspring inherit traits from their parents. Brown beetles have brown offspring. Selection. The environment favors certain traits. Brown beetles are less likely to be eaten. Over time, favorable traits become more common. More brown beetles survive to reproduce. Natural selection acts as a filter, shaping populations over generations. Individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to pass on their genes. This leads to gradual changes in the characteristics of a species. This process, acting over millions of years, has produced the incredible diversity of life we see today. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, all living things are products of this elegant and powerful process. Fossils are like snapshots of life from the past. They are the preserved remains of ancient organisms, embedded in rocks. By studying fossils, we can trace the evolution of life over millions of years. The fossil record is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, slowly revealing the history of life on Earth. Fossils show us how species have changed over time. For example, we have found fossils of ancient whales with legs. Transitional fossils are especially important. These fossils show the intermediate stages between an ancestral species and its descendants. One famous example is Archaeopteryx, a feathered dinosaur with both reptilian and bird-like features. The fossil record provides compelling evidence for evolution. It shows a clear progression of life from simple to complex forms over vast periods. Each fossil is a piece of the puzzle, helping us to understand the grand story of life on Earth. Deep inside our cells lies a molecule called DNA. It carries the genetic instructions for building and maintaining all living organisms. DNA is like a blueprint of life, passed down from generation to generation. Similarities in DNA sequences between different species provide strong evidence for evolution. For example, humans and chimpanzees share about 98.8% of their DNA. This suggests a close evolutionary relationship. Scientists can use DNA differences to estimate how long ago species diverged from a common ancestor. This is like a molecular clock. The more DNA differences, the longer ago the species diverged. DNA evidence provides a powerful tool for understanding evolutionary relationships. It confirms the common ancestry of all living things and allows us to trace the branches of the tree of life with remarkable accuracy.